Hello guys, today I've got Cudy P2 router and I'm going to show you how to use diagnostic tools to test your connection. We've got these diagnostic tools in our web interface, and so as you can see here, we've got our web interface of our Cudy router. Tap settings here, now tap diagnostic tools and just hit go. You'll test cellular, Wi-Fi, system, devices, connection, etc. As you can see, now we can download all this information. And that's it. Goodbye.